The Crow Magnum Men lived in France and Spain some 20,000 years ago. They were 6 feet tall with prominent features. They have a height of 6 feet with a prominent feature with some particular features. They sewed clothes from animal skin. They use animal skin and sewed them to wear on their body. Use bone needles. With the help of bone needles, they sew their clothes and wore on their bodies. They made painting on the wall of the caves. They used to draw painting in the caves, the wall of the caves. They made the painting in artificial light generated by burning fat in hollow stone dishes. For the for the Neanderthals man's three different races of human beings evolved in different parts of the world. They were the Negroes, they were the black race found in Africa. They were the black men that were found in the Africa. Later they moved to the other part of the world. The second race is the Mongolians. They were the yellow race people who first appeared in Central Asia. They first appeared in Central Asia. Later they spread to Siberia, China, Japan, and Southeast Asia. The third part is the Aryans. They were the white race people who were first found in Southeast Europe. Later they moved to the other part of the Europe. Iran, Iraq, Northern Africa, and India. The Aryans who migrated to India were called Indo-Aryans. The sources slash evidence that tell about the early humans. First, the human fossils. They refers to the remains of the early humans. The remains of early humans refer to human fossils. They include human skeleton, human teeth, skull, etc. of the early humans. Fossils of more than 6,000 humans have been found. Human bones. Beside fossils, the bones of the early humans also tell a lot about them. It is believed that some human skeletons were broken over a period of time, which made the bone of limbs, etc., spread all over the place. Utensils and tools. Most of the utensils and tools of the early humans were made of the stones. Most of the utensils and the tools of the early humans were made of the stone with the help of stone. Early humans hit one stone with another till one had a sharp edge. The early tools were hand axes. The hand axes were the early tools. Tools like needles and harpoons were made from bones or the antlers of deer. Early humans used tools for hunting. In the early times, the early humans used the tools for hunting, fishing, cutting meat, digging, sewing, cleaning animal skins, etc. Cave painting. The cave painting of the early human show the use of highly sophisticated colors. Highly sophisticated color means appearing or elegant color they use for the painting. Their painting generally depicts the scenes of hunting wild animals. They use artificial light to make the painting. They use artificial light for the painting. The shelters. Caves were used as shelters. They used caves shelter by the early humans, especially when it becomes very cold. though, so when there is cold outside, they have to stay inside the cave to keep them warm. So that's all for this chapter, and I will provide notes or question answers in PDF format in the class group, and exercise also in the class group. Thank you for